When we were out on the island, a collaborator, Amber BMAC, came out and recorded all the sound of us in process. So she put mics on dancers as they moved, and we were planning to turn that into a score for another piece. And then she created this loop of one of the dancers' movements and on the floor, I think, just moving, and then that turned into this kind of repetitive loop that I ended up using. Actually, a lot of the songs I was working with were really like, I started using as kind of like scratch music, where I was thinking, this is the quality I want, but I'm sure this is not what I'm really gonna use, right? And then I actually had planned to bring in Gio Wythe, who's a composer and performer, amazing artist, and he was so super on board, and then he had to come into the process much later because he was in Italy working for a while, and when he came in, he sort of was like, I don't know if I really belong here right now. I mean, he was really engaged in the work, but he said, is there room for me in this, actually? It seems like the work is already pretty developed and connected to the sound. So what more do you want? I kind of just went back to the music I was working in scratch, except for the last song, which is a song he made for the piece.